Hey guys, hope all is well. What we're gonna do now is we just did the first question. First question. You should be able to do this question, which is very similar to the previous one. Right now, we're gonna focus on this. Um, for this question, you need to know a few things. The first thing you need to know is this symbol. This symbol means parallel. And sorry, I'm recording this while on the train, so forgive the background noise. But this symbol means parallel. So it's basically saying that this line right here, this line, is parallel to this line. But what does that mean? So I need you to know that it doesn't mean that they're congruent. So let's go back to when we learned about parallel lines. Sorry. Let's zoom out. So you should remember this when we learned about parallel lines. So when two lines are parallel and is cut by like another line, this is called a transversal. This angle and this angle are alternate interior. So you should realize and remember that these angles are alternate interior angles. And then similarly, let's say if you have this situation where you have a line that's parallel like this and a transversal, these two angles are alternate interior. So, what you should look for in this question, and I'm going to write this, since the lines are parallel, look for alternate interior angles. So, you should realize that these angles are alternate interior, and so are these angles. These two angles are alternate interior as well. So, in addition to that, you should now look at the triangles separately. You should realize that these two triangles share a specific line. So, they both have AC in common. So, if you think about what we learned last class, we can use the property called the reflexive property to say AC is congruent to AC. This is known once again if you look back to the notes from last class. Sorry. This is called the reflexive property, which is the last property over here. Alright? And at this point, you should have enough to prove that the two triangles are congruent because once again, you have an angle and an angle, another angle, right? These two angles. This is the train to Grand Central. And you also have this side. So you should realize why these two triangles are congruent based on that information. All right. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.